Welcome to Think Tree Maths. Today's maths nugget is on place value and value. These are small words with a big difference. Have you ever wondered what really separates place value from value? In this Think Tree Maths nugget, we'll break it down and see how these two work together to give every digit meaning. Place value tells you where a digit is, its position in a number. However, value tells you how much the digit is worth because of its place. Each position has a name and determines how much that digit is worth. Now, if it's place value, if you have a number like 3,582, the 3 is in the thousands place. The 5 is in the hundreds place. The 8 is in the tens place. The 2 is in the ones place, sometimes referred to as the units place. But when we talk of value, for the same number, the value of 3 will be 3,000. The value of 5 will be 500. The value of 8 will be 80. The value of 2 will be 2. So the place value of 3 in the number that we refer to, 3,582, is thousands. The place value of 8 is tens. However, the value of 3 is 1,000. The value of 8 is 80. Quick tip: place value refers to position, that is thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. Value is the actual worth, whether it's worth 3,580 or 2. Now you know the difference. Place value tells the position, value tells the worth. Small words that make a big difference in understanding numbers. Keep growing your maths mind. Subscribe to Think Tree Maths for more learning nuggets.